Okay, hi everyone. In this short video I want to introduce something new, something we developed in the last few months, and it works really great. And this is a wireless tele-like system which can be used with Wirecast and with vMix. This wireless system is based on 433 megahertz radio frequency, and its distance it's really good, and it works around 200 meters, the minimum. We used it on many kind of events in many kind of event hall, and we didn't have any problem with this. So it works really great. We didn't use any IP technology in this equipment because we don't want any interference with other Wi-Fi networks. So we decided with the 433 megahertz system, which is open almost any country in a world, so you can freely use this. Okay, and now I will try to demonstrate how easy to use this system. Just a few words about why we used it and why we developed it. So the primary goal was to use for us because we tried to looking for something similar in the market, but we didn't find any similar solution. So we decided to develop own system for own use. But now we see it's really great, and we think to put it to the market and to sell it, and this video is a little bit market researching. So the demonstration. Okay, first of all, this is a transmitter, and this has to connect to USB port, of the streaming computer. And this is really easy. Okay, just the USB port. Okay, it's great. Now it's starting. Yes. Okay, and now if we looking for in the device manager, you can see this device you can find at communication port 5. So now we have a application which have to start next to Wirecast. This is a Wirecast, and we called this the Telelight application, Telelight app. And we have to push the start. We have to choose the communication port where the transmitter is connected, which is COM port 5. And okay, that's all. And now we have connected. I try to turn on the receivers, which have to connect to the cameras. Okay, it's great. And now you can see we have a free receiver connected. It's number 2, number 3, number 4, and you can see them here. And in this window you can see the layers of Wirecast, and at the moment, as you see, the cameraman 3 is activated at layer 3. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, to use the system is really easy, because we have only one naming convention. You have to name the shots on the Wirecast layers with the number of the receiver. For example, this camera has a number 3. Okay, if you try to rename, as you see, this is a cameraman hyphen 3. So you need the end of the shot name, 2 hyphen character, and the number of the receiver which is connected to the camera. If you use multi-picture or picture-in-picture mode, in this case you have to name the shot with both character of the two camera, and the naming convention in this case is 2 hyphen character, and in this case the 2 and 3, because it's connected to number 2 and number 3 camera. Okay, and now you have to attach this, you have to give this receiver to the cameraman, and you can attach this to his camera or his tripod or anywhere he wants, and then you can see the light here. Okay, I changed the camera, sorry. Okay, it's great. Okay, and you can put next to the camera or anywhere. And now the demonstration, it's really great working, because as you see now the cameraman 2 is active, the number 2. Okay, I changed the camera angle. Okay, the number 3 is active now, because this is a number 3 camera. Okay, I changed to number 2, then it's go the red light to the second transmitter, and we have a third camera feed, which is camera 4, and when I change the cameras, the red light is changing. If I select picture-in-picture shot, then both of them will light, number 3 and number 2. So this is great, and this is really easy to use. Just you have to remember the naming convention. In the end of the shot name, hyphen, and the number of the cameras, which is the use. Okay, so this is all I want to show you. And one more thing, we have an additional cable for every receiver, which you can attach to the receiver, and in this case you have a second light, and this is good because if you attach the receiver, for example, to the tripod, then you can attach this second light to here, for example. Okay, and you can attach it somewhere here, and the cameraman in this case, you sure will see the red light, and he will know he is online right now. Okay. I just want to say one more thing about the quality of the streaming, since we are using this tele-like solution, or the quality of our streaming projects are raising and getting better, because or every cameraman knows when he is online, his camera feed when is online, and he will not zooming or will not searching for other subject. When he see the red light, and he know he is online right now, and he will keep focus on the subject. Okay, and one more thing, the receivers working with okay, I open it. This is working with AA battery, for AA battery, and we tried it many times. This is a 2600 milliampere capacity battery, and it will works for a day for sure. So it's minimum a day long. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. And as I told you before, this is a market research, because we would like to know if you interested in this solution, if you want to use this wireless tele-like system. And so we are thinking to put this solution, this equipment to market. The price will be around 600 euros or 500 euros. We don't know at the moment exactly, but something like that. And so feel free to comment the video under the Facebook, or you can see our email address. If you have any question, please feel free to write us, and we will answer you any kind of question about this tele-like system. So thank you very much for your attention, and see you soon. Bye bye.